This is the second video where I talked about 3 security issues on every Vibe coded app with no proper planning. In the first video, I explained open API keys. In this video, we're going to look at no rate limiting. Your app doesn't have a certain amount of requests a user can make. It means a user can make a lot of requests within a certain range of time, which is going to be a problem for your application. And the main cause of this is no proper planning on your Vibe coded app. The moment your app is lacking a rate limit, it means anyone and any automated tool can hit your backend with unlimited requests, which will crash your app and it will cost you a lot. The issue is a lot of these Vibe coding tools focus on making a feature work as fast as possible. Making it secured is not their main priority. I keep saying, when it comes to security aspect, this is where you step in. This is where you decide how you want your application to move and function, the architecture of your own application. Rate limiting is an important aspect of your application. So in this case, you have to explicitly tell the AI tool you're using the number of requests you want a user to have on different aspects of your application. Is it login? Is it sign up? Is it password reset? Which aspect of it? I'll show you how to work on that in a minute. Imagine your application doesn't have a login or password reset limit. It means someone can use a bot to reset a password over thousands of times within a minute until he cracks that account and gets access to it. So the one simplest way to avoid this problem, unlimited requests on your application, is in the project you're working with, your project.md file. You're going to insert a prompt that says, create a secured login route for my app. Include a rate limit middleware to restrict requests to a maximum of 5 in 15 minutes per IP address. Yeah, but I know that it won't be all your endpoints that will have this same rule. Other aspects of your application will have a different rule, not just 5 requests per 15 minutes, obviously. But this is just to show you a sketch of how you're going to go about it by telling the AI, for this aspect of my application, I want this certain number of requests. If you don't know how many requests to give per this feature, all you have to do is to ask the AI. Okay, let's say for your login page, you can ask the AI, what are the options of rate limit I should give to this login form? What are the risks of it? From there, it will break everything down for you and you'll be able to make your own decision from that stage. But your login form, your sign-up form, your passport reset, your API URL, those are the most sensitive things and most important things to take note of, because they are things that can easily have issues with your app the moment if someone does something wrong with it. Either someone bypass it to get access to it, over request on things, it can become a problem for you. That's why we call it authentication. It's something that authenticates users into your own application. And also, depending on the tech stack you're using, there are multiple libraries that will help you on rate limiting. So all you have to do again is to ask the AI, based on this I'm using, what are the libraries that will solve this for me to avoid all unnecessary messy code and things. The libraries will assist you on that aspect. So this is the second security aspect of most Vibe coded apps that don't have proper planning. This third one is actually really scary. I made it in a different video. That's why it's a 3-series video. I don't know why, but I do make sure that I do my things in series videos so that it won't be one long video that complicates. So I just make it in a 3-set videos, the first, the second, and this is the third one. So click the link in the playlist for the continuation.